Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Ivy. In this channel, I'm going to record my journey from being an analyst to a data engineer. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you how to use Codespaces to develop your project. So let's get started. First, the Codespaces, I list 4 points for you. Maybe you will need to know before developing your project. Okay, so for the first point, each code space is actually it's a Docker container running under the hood. You can find more information from the official documentation. I will put the link below. And it means you will have an isolated working environment. And the second point is that you will have 120 core hours for free each month. But please remember it's core hour. It means if you use 2 core, you will have 6 hour for free each month. You will say, okay, I use 2 core, 2 hour, and the usage hour is 4 hour. So if you use 4 core, you will have 30 hour free each month. Okay. So let me just create a new code spaces. I prefer here because you can say, okay, you can choose the motion type, 2 core or 4 core. I will choose 2 core. I would say, at the beginning when I developed my project, I rent a VM from GCP, and every month I will receive the billing from GCP. So finally, I found the Codespaces. Yeah, I appreciate it. It saved my money. I will choose the dark. And for the third point, I like the system. It's Ubuntu Linux image. So I just use the command to show you here. So you will say, okay, it's a Linux Ubuntu. So it's the most popular working environment. You can play around with Codespaces, become familiar with it before you land your job, right? Is it good? And for the last point, the Codespaces developers has reinstalled many popular applications, so you don't need to install anymore. Because when I rent a VM from GCP, I needed to install every application like Docker, Docker Compose, and Conda, etc., etc. But here, you will just find them here, which Docker Compose, which Python version, and which Java. I'll see my keyboard. Okay, and you will say, okay, for some application, it is installed in the user directory, and for some, they are installed in the home directory. I just give you some idea about the hierarchy of the folder system. Okay, so just jump to the home directory. So you can just use cd. It means change directory without anything, and you will go to the home directory. The tilde means, okay, currently you are in the home directory. So you will find the pwd. Okay, you are in the home directory, and then you can list the folder here. You can find the Conda, Ruby, this kind of application. And then I will go to the root directory, you can use the slash. Please remember the root directory is the top level of the hierarchy. It means you can find the home directory in the root directory, and you will also find the workspaces in this directory. The workspaces is where you are going to develop your project. I give you a little tree here because I think if you have some idea about the hierarchy in the system, you can control the environment better, right? So I will go back my repository here and okay, that list. My repository is demo, so I will go back demo. And here we go. Everything is good and you are ready to develop your project now. Okay,